Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I am sharing with you our travel bag. It's been, I think, almost 3 years. I haven't done a story or a video on travel bags, and I am not sure why because I always take them with me for Vivan, and this time I thought well in advance that I am going to do a video which would be showcasing all the stuff that I'm going to carry for Vivan. And Vivan is right here. You want to say hi, Vivan?
Hi.
He's funny. He actually came running from the other room as soon as he heard my voice that I'm recording a video. Okay, so guys, we are going to India for some work, and we're going to be there for at least 2.5, 3 weeks. And the flight journey is not that simple. So we have first 14-hour flight to Dubai, and from Dubai it's like another 3.5 hours to Chennai. We are going to Chennai first, and then back home Delhi. So I'm just going to show you quickly what we are doing and what I'm carrying. So I have gathered all this stuff here. I'm gonna like put it right in front of you, and let's get started. Okay, so this is the bag that I am going to carry for Vivan. It's a very simple bag. It's like a shoulder pouch bag and very thin, so not very heavy that he won't be able to carry by himself. Then I plan to either use a box or I plan to use a pouch like this, but the pouch I'm not able to fit in everything else, so I am just gonna keep this one aside and see if last minute we want to add something in this one. Otherwise, I think this is cool and it goes very well in the box, sorry, in the bag, and I think it's gonna be easy to open, and then this part can be used to do the activity, and as soon as you're done you have to just finish it up and you put it inside, you lock it back. Okay, so the very first thing is a storybook that I'm taking, and I'm taking Jataka Tales, which is there are many stories inside along with a bookmark. And Trust me guys, I mean, this is just one book at the time that I'm carrying right now. By the time we'll be traveling there'll be like 5 or 6 books, but that I think would be going separately in the different bags, not in this one. Okay, so that's book number one. Number two is I'm carrying this very small puzzle that I picked up at dollar spot from Target, and it comes in a pouch. You can open it and you have to make this crocodile. There are like 50 pieces, and this is the small 50 piece puzzle, but very cute. So I'm carrying this one. Then I have this gamepad which I picked up from Tiger Copenhagen. It's a store. It's a pretty famous store, and they have very cool stuff. I try and go to that store many times, and I try and pick up a lot of stuff from there. So you basically have your dot games. I don't know if you guys have seen this, and I grew up basically on these games. And then you have tic tac toe, and then you have the hangman. So it's gonna be very interesting. Then I'm putting a small stamper for him to stamp. Then that's Vivan's favorite. He wants me to show this to you. A small calculator because he really loves using the numbers and calculator. So the calculator is gonna come right here, and yeah, he just took the calculator away. Yep. And then I'm putting these three very cute little highlighters. I found them very cute. There were actually six of them. I'm carrying three. um all three of us like one color, yellow, blue, and pink. So I think they're gonna fit very easily somewhere here. Then I am carrying these scratch pictures. I'm just carrying two of them along with their the pen that they have. So these are two pictures. They can be easily put in here, and I will be then putting it inside here so that it does not come out. Then I have a nice pencil. It comes with, is it with the eraser? No, it's not with an eraser. Oh yeah, there it is with the eraser. Perfect. So it comes with an eraser. So this works perfectly all right. You don't have to sharpen the pencil. The eraser is right in there. So a push pencil is always a great idea. Then I'm carrying these five of our cards, story cards, and basically we are going to be explaining these cards. I have thought of like 4 or 5 different games that we can do around it. We will try and keep our list of words. So we are learning spelling, so I have made various lists for Vivan throughout the summer. If you want to know more about the spellings that we're doing and how we are doing, do let me know and leave a comment. I would do a separate video on this. So I'm carrying this one set so that we can like revise and you can see the spellings and we can like talk about it. Last but not the least, this is here we go. This is the notebook which talks about everything about the trip, and there are some small activities and tasks and treasure hunts that Vivan has to do. Basically, it's not too much. It's very easy and simple. Maybe more about asking names. If you want to see a complete video on this, do let me know, guys. I will try and make a complete video and show how what all is there inside the book. So it's gonna come here, and I'm not sure about this. So this is basically a mask and a cape for boys. I'm not sure whether to take it or not, if it can fit in a bag well enough or no. Then I have these glasses, funny glasses. I'm not sure if the glasses are gonna fit yet or no. Then I'm gonna put this unicorn poop marshmallows inside here, so that just as in if he gets hungry or something. This is all done. I definitely want to add one of the plush toys, but I'm not sure which one right now because Vivan is very, very fond of plush toys. He has penguins, he has like all sorts of them, like Pikachu, bears, like frog, like almost everything, and he's very, very fond of that. So I don't know which one to choose. I mean, that's something that I'm gonna be leaving for the last minute for him to decide. So guys, see, this box is ready. It's very simple. Everything is inside except the calculator, which is right here with him. He's sitting with the calculator. And then with this bag, I think it's gonna be easy for us to like open it and then put it inside. I'm just gonna try and show it to you guys. It's gonna be with my one hand. Yeah, it's easy. It's very easy to hold. It's not difficult at all, and it's not heavy, and he can easily remove it, put it, and he can walk around anywhere. And if he wants, he can like put his jacket. I can put these glasses for him, like if he wants, and he can always add on a plush toy inside. And I'm gonna check with him if he really wants the cape and this to go. Otherwise, we are good. I'm gonna carry this separately, guys, in case if he wants to do this, or it can go in here, but I think it's gonna just make it too heavy. So I'm not sure about this. Yeah, that's all about it. I think it's pretty handy. I do not carry colors for him because he hates it. He does not like to color. He likes to read. He likes to write. Write as in like scribble or something. Like calculator and like the sketch art. So anything that he's into right now, I am just putting that so that I don't have to take stuff that he doesn't like and we don't end up using, and then I'm like trying to figure out various ways to do things with him. That's it, guys. If you like the video, do give me a thumbs up. If you have more questions or if you have any suggestions, do leave a comment. And if you want to check out more videos for the stuff that I've shown it to you, I mean, do let me know. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.